Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be looking at information technology. In particular, I'm going to touch the topic programming languages. Now, what is programming, you may ask? It is actually writing the answer or the solution to a problem using a language that a computer understands. Now, the programmer is the person who is going to instruct or tell the computer how to solve the problem, right? Now, you're going to ask me, what is a computer program then? Well, it is a set of instructions that tell the computer what to do and how to do it. The instructions are converted into a sequence of numeric codes, and these codes are called machine code, and they are stored in memory. The CPU then interprets the code in order to carry out the instruction of the computer. Sound a little bit like something that you would want to see how it's done, but let us continue. You need to select a programming language before you can go on. Now, the programming language that you're going to select should be suitable for the task that you want it to carry out. There are several programming languages that you may use to write programs, and these languages are grouped into two categories. What are those two categories? The two categories are low-level languages and high-level languages. So we just looked at summarizing what we looked at so far. We want to go into programming languages, but we looked at what is programming, and we say programming is writing the answer or the solution to a problem, except we're using a language that the computer understands. If you're going to talk to someone, you're going to want to talk to them in a language that they understand. Now, if we're going to instruct the computer to do something, then we're going to have to instruct the computer in a language that it understands, and that language is programming language. Now, the programming language, we said there are several of them out there, and they are grouped into two main categories, and those are high-level programming languages and low-level programming languages. In the next edition, we're going to look at the two categories of programming languages together. But my question for you that I would want you to answer, I have two questions for you. And the two questions are, what is the name given to the person who instructs or tells the computer how to solve the problem? That's question number one. And question number two is, where is the instruction or the numeric code? We call them machine code. Where is machine code stored? That's where is machine code stored. So if you answered programmer for question one, you are correct. And if you said in memory for question two, you are correct. All right. Thank you for staying tuned to the business channel. I'm going to want you to stick and stay with me. So subscribe for notifications and let me know what you think we should do next in the comment section. But in the next edition, we're going to look at low-level and high-level programming languages. Until then, see you next time.